Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be decorating my house for Christmas. This is very minimal. I honestly thought that I had a lot more decorating items than I did. I didn't go shopping this year for Christmas because I spent all my budget on Black Friday. So yeah, there's that. Anyway, I am setting up my tree. This tree literally took me like 3 days to complete. I didn't film most of it. I just filmed myself setting it up because it is a 10.5 foot tree. And honestly, it is a pain in the butt, especially if being 5 foot and 80 pounds. Like, it was just insane. So I just did it on my own. I added new lights to it. It originally has yellow lights, and we were just over that. So I strung pretty white lights that you'll see a little bit later on. But yeah, let's get to fluff it. Okay, so this is a little glimpse of what my tree looks like. I have silver, champagne, sparkly silver, sparkly champagne ornaments all over it. I added these little sprigs of, like, they look like fireworks almost. I don't know, I saw those in other people's Instagram, so I decided to do it myself. And then I'm getting new initial ornaments for all of us. So those are just there temporarily. I hope you guys like my tree. I really do love it myself. So I'm going to start with this glass table that is by the stairs. I am going to dust it off. I absolutely love this table, but I do not like the fact that it's very high maintenance and all the fingerprints show every single time. I'm going to add these two little trees from Target Dollar Spot that I got last year. I think they were like $5 a piece. I know that they look different, but I think they are the same. I think it's just like the shadowing. So I'm just gonna fluff them up a little bit, even though they're really not that fluffy. Then I'm just gonna put my little statues up there, and then the thing that we use to charge the boys' iPads with. This little Christmas countdown I got from Target as well. I absolutely love it. It is so cute and fun, and it's very similar to one that Joanna Gaines' line, Hearth and Hand, had, and for cheaper. So I love it. Next, I'm adding this little fa la 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 frame and a little white candle and a snow globe that we got from Andrew's grandmother years ago. And this is what my little, like, under the stairs table looks like. And it's very minimal and super cute, I feel. Now we're going to move on to the stairs where I have my mirror and I do my selfies. If you haven't followed me on Instagram already, I'm going to have my link down below. I'm just playing with the positioning of this little tree that I got from Target Dollar Spot last year. I think I prefer this one over the ones with the wooden frame. And I figured it would look better up on the step. And this little frame that says best time of the year that I also got from Target Dollar Spot with an L, which represents our last name. Moving on to the fireplace, I'm just dusting everything off, and you can see a little peek of the tree there in the mirror. And I'm just going to go ahead and put our stocking holders. They are from Target and they spell out peace. And at the end, I also have a snowflake. thought these little star twinkle lights looked super cute, so I decided to drape them on the mantle and then add our stockings. The two gray ones are for our puppies, and then the other ones are for each member of our household, and they have initials on them, and everything came from Target. The last place that I'm going to decorate is this kitchen area, the shelves. So I'm adding garland and then this little sign that says Merry Christmas. Then I'm adding two bottled brushes on each side. So one is silver and one is green. And I'm also going to add a little truck ornament that you'll see in a minute. But this area is so brand new. I still don't know what to do with it. Like, on any other day that's not a holiday. So if you have any ideas, please leave them down below, and I appreciate it so much. Then the last thing that you're going to see are these wine bottles that I DIY'd years and years ago. They just spell out joy, and I just placed them at the very top of this shelf, and they just kind of add a little bit of height to that area right there.
Alright guys, that does it for today's video. I am so sorry that I did not have a picture of me like decorating the actual tree and putting all the lights on it. I was so frustrated that day. It was just insane. I couldn't get the lights to be on right. I couldn't get all the ornaments on. Like, it was just crazy, and I didn't want to be on camera like looking so super mad or whatever. But if you want to see the tree a little bit better, then go ahead and go to my Instagram. It's going to be linked down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment down below letting me know if you've already decorated your house for the holidays. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!